Welcome dear students. Today we will learn about measurement of weight or mass. Weight is a measure of how heavy an object is. In our daily life we come across various situations in which we have to assume the weight of an object. For example, what would be the weight of this ship? Can it be 1000 gram or 1300 kilogram? Of course, the weight of a ship cannot be 1000 gram or 1 kg, it has to be 1300 kg. What would be the weight of this pencil? Is it possible that this pencil weighs 1 kg or is it 20 gram? Definitely it is 20 gram. What would be the weight of this burger? 15 kg or 150 grams? It's not possible to have a burger of 15 kg, so it is 150 grams. How much would be the weight of this horse? Is it possible that the horse weighs 5000 gram, that is only 5 kilogram, or it is 45 kilogram? Of course, it is 45 kilogram. And how much would be the weight of this ice cream? Is it possible to have an ice cream of 2 kg? No, it is 120 gram. So we can find out weight of given objects just by looking at the unit also. There are various instruments for measuring weight of an object. You must have noticed your mother buying vegetables and fruits from the vendors, and they use a balance called pan balance. And for measuring the fruits or vegetables weight, they have different kind of weights with them, like 100 gram, 500 gram or 1 kg. There are some other balances also which is used for accurate measurement, like a compression balance, a postal balance, a table balance, a spring balance, platform balance, Roman steel yard balance and electronic balance. All these kind of balances are for weighing different kinds of objects based on their size and weight. There are various units for measuring weight. Starting from smallest, it's milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram and kilogram, where milligram is the smallest unit among them and kilogram is the greatest unit and gram is the standard unit of measuring weight. To convert one unit into another, we have a standard table. Here in this table, you can see all the units of measuring weight, starting from kilogram to milligram. Each different unit is having a difference of 10 in between them. So, 1 kilogram is equals to 10 hectogram, 1 hectogram is equals to 10 decagram, 1 decagram is equals to 10 gram, 1 gram is equals to 10 decigram, 1 decigram is equals to 10 centigram, and 1 centigram is equals to 10 milligram. If you are going to convert bigger unit into smaller, you have to multiply. And if you have to convert smaller unit to bigger, you will divide. For example, if you have to convert gram to decigram, you are going to multiply by 10. But if you will convert decigram into gram, you will divide by 10. Or if you have to convert gram to milligram, you are going to count the number of tens in between them. That is 10 into 10 into 10, which makes 1000. It means you have to multiply by 1000. But if you are going to convert smaller unit to bigger, like milligram to gram, then you are going to divide by 1000. This is the way we convert one unit into another. So, 1 gram can be written as 1000 milligram and 1 kilogram can be written as 1000 grams. There are various conversions from larger to smaller or smaller to larger. For example, converting gram to milligram, we have to multiply by 1000. Converting kilogram to gram, we have to multiply by 1000. Or to converting ton to kilogram, we are going to multiply by 1000. 1 ton is equals to 1000 kilogram. Similarly, if we are going to convert smaller to larger, definitely we have to divide. So milligram to gram, divide by 1000. Gram to kilogram, divide by 1000. Kilograms to tons, divide by 1000. Let us consider some examples. Convert 8 kilograms to grams. We know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So for converting 8 kg 2 gram, we are going to multiply 8 by 1000, that gives you 8000 grams. Or to convert 12 grams to milligram, as we know that 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram, so 12 gram will be equal to 12 into 1000, that is 12,000 milligram. So these are few examples. There are many such examples given in your book. Please try to attempt and try to explore this topic more. Thank you for watching.